Across to fresh breaking news coming in from Kolkata. These are the live visuals where the BJP is staging a protest in West Bengal's Kolkata over Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's Mahakumbh is Mrityu Kumbh remark. Take a look at these visuals live from Kolkata where the BJP is staging a protest over Chief Minister Mamata's remarks where she said that Mahakumbh is now Mrityu Kumbh.
এর জন্য তাদের এই প্রতিবাদ তারা বিক্ষোভ দেখাচ্ছেন সেই ছবি এই মুহূর্তে সেন্ট্রাল এভিনিউ বড়বাজার ক্রসিং এ একেবারে মুখ থেকে সরাসরি দেখতে পাচ্ছ চারটে রাস্তা চার মাথা
Now Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee made these remarks just day before yesterday and this embroiled a huge political controversy with the BJP saying with the BJP claiming that these remarks are against the Sanatan Dharma. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said that Mahakumbh is Mrityu Kumbh. In fact, the India Alliance also weighed in on the matter. SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav backed Mamata Banerjee's claims where she called Mahakumbh the Mrityu Kumbh. Live visuals from the streets of Kolkata where BJP workers are protesting against Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's claims and demanding an apology from the TMC Supremo.
রাস্তায় বসে পড়লেন সুকান্ত মজুমদার এবং সেই ছবি আমরা দেখাচ্ছি সরাসরি এই মুহূর্তে
The protests are happening live in Kolkata. After the remarks were made, SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav also backed Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee over her claims where she called Mahakumbh the Mrityu Kumbh.
এই মুহূর্তে সেই ছবি আমরা দেখাচ্ছি যে মহাকুম্ভে অপমান মানছি না মানব না
BJP workers have now taken to the streets to protest the remarks made by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. In fact, BJP leaders have condemned the remarks saying that the Indie leaders are weighing in to disrespect the Sanatan Dharma. This comes after Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's Mahakumbh is Mrityu Kumbh remark. Also being joined by my colleague Ridhita to get us more updates into the matter. Ridhita, massive protests on the streets of Kolkata by BJP workers against the remark made by Mamata Banerjee. Tell us more about this and also the demands of the protesters. Ridhita.
Correctly, yes. Yesterday in the assembly, we have seen CM Mamata Banerjee had made a statement, a very derogatory statement, which is hurting the Hindu sentiment, stating Mahakumbh has turned into Mrityu Kumbh. And with that, yesterday we have also seen there were heavy protests, sit-in demonstrations done by the BJP leaders. The leader of opposition, Shubhendu Adhikari, was also there in the assembly yesterday, who were protesting from the stairs of the Vidhan Sabha, the assembly in West Bengal yesterday. And today we have seen that Sukanta Majumdar, Union Minister Sukanta Majumdar, is currently holding a sit-in demonstration in Central Avenue. There are also protests going West Bengal wide in Bakura, Durgapur, where BJP workers have blocked the roads and they are protesting currently at Central Avenue. We see Shajal Ghosh, BJP leaders like Shajal Ghosh, Shubhendu Adhikari and many more other leaders have actually blocked the road of Central Avenue. And to understand that Central Avenue is one of the conjuncting points of Kolkata, is one of the major roads, and they have blocked that. They're demanding at the moment an apology. They are demanding for an apology for the Hindus of Bharat, for the Sanatanis of the world. Today we have also heard CM Yogi making a comment in the assembly, in the UP assembly, stating Mamata Banerjee's comment and stating what derogatory comment is this, what kind of this comment is this, where she is insulting her people, she's insulting Hindus, the people of her own race, and people of West Bengal have voiced for it. The BJP workers in Bengal have voiced for it, and they're sitting in Central Avenue stating that Mamata Banerjee should apologize for this. Mamata Banerjee should stop doing a religioustic politics that she is doing. People are very furious. People have gone all fury over Mamata Banerjee's this derogatory statement she has made in the assembly itself yesterday, stating that Mahakumbh, a very a pure place, a place for the Hindus to be a Mrityu Kumbh. You can hear, you can see the placards which are stating that the insult that has been done to Hindus at Mahakumbh, that has been passed for the Sanatanis of the world, for the Sanatanis of Bengal, we will not accept it. They're completely writing that it's a shame it's a shameful comment. It is a shame for a CM of a state to make such comments. That is a visual that we are currently seeing in the Central Avenue where Shukanto Majumdar is sitting and he's holding a poster where it is written that we are not taking up such comments, we are not accepting such comments that will be made on the Sanatanis. We will not take this insult up on the Sanatanis. So they are stating that we are proud that we are Hindus, but if somebody comes and makes such statements, we will not take anything, we will not take such backlash. We will not take such backlash. They are completely asking for Mamata Banerjee to apologize on such comment. A CM of a state, Mamata Banerjee, has in an open forum in the assembly said that Mahakumbh has turned into Mrityu Kumbh, and BJP has gone all fury on this matter and they're staging a protest in Central Avenue today, where we see Union Minister Shukanto Majumdar is also sitting.